Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anuja and I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to mix two different shades of lipsticks and create a different shade altogether. I have been mixing lipsticks since a long time now and I have come across few tips and tricks on how to apply it flawlessly without it looking like I've plastered on layers of lipsticks. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell as well. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Alright, so the first step is to start with prepped lips. Make sure you exfoliate and moisturize them properly because nobody wants crusty lips, girl. Then the next step is to select your lipsticks. I am using Lakme's Maroon Mix, which is sort of a maroon pinkish color, and Coffee Light, which is a brown nudish shade. All the info about the lipsticks will be in the description below, so you can check it out. I usually like to start with bullet lipsticks as my first layer, and I'll let you know why soon. I'm applying a very thin layer first and then I am going in with dab and slide motion to fill in the sparse or patchy areas. Next, I am going to blot my lips on a tissue paper. This makes sure that our lips have even layer of lipstick and no extra build-up. Then I am going in with my second lipstick, which is like a lip cream. I am going to remove the excess on the brim and start applying a thin layer again. If you want more, you can always go back to your lipstick and add a little more, but I'm gonna start off easy and light and then build up the color if I want to. I've taken a little bit more of that lipstick and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lip. So I'm gonna tell you why I like to apply the bullet lipstick first. It's just that the lip creams or the liquid lipsticks which I apply as my second layer have a precision wand and an applicator that makes it easier for me to blend the lipsticks together and also line it properly if there are any mistakes. It also totally depends on the texture of the lipsticks, which I'm going to explain to you in my next combination. As you can see, we've got an amazing color. It has hints from both the lipsticks. It is amazing and it is unique as well. So for the second combination, I'm taking this liquid matte lipstick by LA Colors in the shade Fierce. It's an orangish red shade, and the second is by Sugar Cosmetics. It's a proper pink lipstick which is also matte, and both of these are super pigmented. Here for the first layer, I'm going to go with the liquid lipstick because of the texture. Since it's very pigmented, this won't blend in applied as a second layer. I have taken a very little amount of lipstick as it is quite thick and I'm applying it evenly on my lips. When using such lipsticks, we have to be careful because they dry really fast. So after applying, I'm gonna quickly blot it before it dries. And then I'm going to go in with my matte pink lipstick. I just realized that I make weird faces while applying lipsticks. So this is the final result of mixing these two lipsticks together. To be very honest, this is the first time I'm trying this combination and it has turned out to be bomb.com. I love it. So for the next one, I thought let's kick it up a notch and mix three lipsticks together. I'm taking a dark pink maroon lipstick, a brown lipstick and a pink lipstick. So for the first layer, I'm going in with the pinkish maroon shade, which is Lakme's Maroon Mix, and I'm applying a very thin layer with dab and slide motion, as I like to call it. This gives a very natural looking feel. For the second layer, I'm going in with the brown lipstick. I am applying this with dab and slide motion as well. It's better to start off slow and then build up the color if you want. This way you can always control the amount of lipstick you're applying, and if there is any lipstick outside your lips, you can just clean it with a Q-tip or your hand like I'm doing it. Then after the second shade, I'm just gonna blot it so it becomes even. Then finally going in with the third lipstick, I'm applying the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. I don't remember the shade. As I said before, I like applying cream lipsticks on top as they blend in very well with the base lipsticks and also give me control over how much I am mixing, and I can mix it properly because of their wands. It all depends on the texture while choosing lipsticks to mix. Once you start doing it, you'll also figure out what works and what doesn't. Final shade was a little pink for my liking, so I am applying the brown lipstick again and I'm gonna dab it lightly. And this is when I realized I can take cool pictures with this effect. This is the final shade, and guess what? I love it. It's sort of like the perfect nude shade. I love mixing browns and pinks together to make a proper and beautiful nude shade. And I also love mixing lipsticks because you end up with such a unique lip shade that nobody has, and you can just flaunt it.
So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did learn something, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that I've helped you guys. And also, if you have some tips and tricks of your own, then do let me know in the comments down below as well. So that's it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.